Right, next job in. We have a MK7 Golf with water in the boot. So let's take a look, see what we got. So, MK7 Golf. Yeah. Actually looks wet on both sides on this one. The drain grommet looks in place for the handle. That actually doesn't look too bad, but we'll check that. Let's see what we got inside the car, how bad it is. Oh my god. Is that inside? That's inside. That is unbelievable. Look at that. Right, I think we're going to have to start stripping the boot on this one and see where we go. I'll keep you posted. Okay, so basically these suffer with the vents in the rear quarter, and these bungs are designed to let the water out. Look at that. The boot is absolutely full and I'm getting drenched. So, to finalise this video on the MK7 Golf, these are the points in which you need to go through. The water runs down the rear lights and they leak behind the lights. You can easily do that by taking the light out and just checking behind here. Then the water passes through the light, and behind here you've got a louvered vent that water gets behind and it fills this rear quarter with water, hence the video in where we took the water out from underneath the vehicle. And that's the same for both sides. They run down here in through the light, and then below the light, if that's all sealed, it will go into this plastic louvered section on here, and then that will sit in the rear quarter and then into the boot. The other point to look out for is this handle. It's got a drain which sits in here with a plastic pipe that connects to this grommet, and that, when that leaks, it comes through here and fills the boot up. So as we look this morning, after it's been raining, we've got no water. So that one's done.